Imagine a world where the vast oceans and continents switched places. What would happen if water and land swapped their roles on Earth? In this hypothetical scenario, the oceans would rise and submerge the land, while the land would form towering islands and underwater landscapes. The first dramatic change would be in the geography. The familiar shapes of continents and oceans would be unrecognizable. The vast Atlantic Ocean, for instance, would become a colossal landmass, while the Sahara Desert might turn into a deep, dark sea.
This shift would cause a massive redistribution of Earth's ecosystems. Marine life would struggle to adapt to shallow waters, while terrestrial life would face the challenge of surviving in newly formed aquatic environments.
Forests and grasslands would be replaced by coral reefs and underwater mountain ranges, creating a unique blend of terrestrial and marine ecosystems. Weather patterns would be drastically altered. Oceans play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate by absorbing and distributing heat. The new land masses would disrupt these patterns, leading to extreme weather events.
The new land formations would lead to intense and unpredictable weather. Areas that were once arid might experience torrential rainfall, while previously temperate regions could face extreme droughts.
Human civilization would face unprecedented challenges. Coastal cities would vanish, replaced by new settlements on higher ground. Agriculture and infrastructure would need to be completely rethought. Advanced technology and innovation would be crucial in adapting to this new world. Floating cities, underwater farms, and new forms of transportation would become the norm.
We would need to rethink our approach to living and working. The way we build our cities, grow our food, and harness energy would all have to change to accommodate the new reality.
In this transformed world, humanity would have to unite and innovate to survive and thrive in the face of monumental change. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it highlights the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems and the resilience of life on Earth. It reminds us of the importance of preserving our environment and preparing for the challenges of the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey of imagination and exploration. What do you think our world would look like if water and land switched places?